If you're a homeowner in Richland Hills, you already know the value of a well-maintained property. From quiet neighborhoods to convenient access to the heart of the Metroplex, homes here offer comfort, charm, and long-term potential. But if you're looking for one upgrade that delivers both immediate impact and lasting return, new windows are hard to beat. Installing new windows isn't just about improving how your home looks. It's about increasing efficiency, enhancing comfort, and boosting overall property value in a competitive real estate market. First impressions matter when buyers pull up to a home. Windows are one of the first features they notice. Old, faded, or damaged frames can make an otherwise beautiful home feel dated. On the other hand, clean, modern windows instantly create a fresh and well-cared-for appearance. In Richland Hills, where curb appeal plays a major role in home value, upgraded windows can set your property apart. Whether you choose sleek contemporary frames or classic styles that complement your home's architecture, new windows help create a polished look that attracts attention. Energy efficiency buyers love. Energy efficiency is a top priority for today's homebuyers. With Texas heat pushing air conditioning systems to work overtime, inefficient windows can lead to high energy bills and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. Modern, energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced glass technology, insulated frames, and tight seals that reduce heat transfer. This keeps cool air inside during the summer and helps maintain a stable indoor temperature year-round. For homeowners in Richland Hills, this means lower monthly utility costs and less strain on HVAC systems. For potential buyers, it means peace of mind. Energy-efficient upgrades are often seen as a major selling point, making your home more appealing and potentially increasing its resale value. Increased comfort inside your home value isn't just about resale, it's also about how much you enjoy living in your home. New windows improve indoor comfort in several noticeable ways. You'll experience fewer drafts, more consistent room temperatures, and better noise reduction from outside traffic or neighborhood activity. If your current windows allow in too much heat or outside noise, replacing them can dramatically improve your day-to-day living experience. When it comes time to sell, buyers will immediately feel that comfort when they walk through the door. A home that feels cool, quiet, and bright leaves a lasting impression. Enhanced natural light. New windows can transform the look and feel of your interior spaces. Larger panes, slimmer frames, and improved clarity allow more natural light to flow into your home. Bright, naturally lit rooms feel more open and inviting. This not only enhances your living environment but also photographs beautifully for listings. In a market like Richland Hills, where buyers often begin their search online, high-quality photos with well-lit interiors can significantly increase interest and showings. Improved security and safety. Modern windows also offer upgraded security features. Stronger locking mechanisms, impact-resistant glass options, and durable materials provide an extra layer of protection. Buyers are increasingly focused on safety. When your home includes updated windows with reliable security features, it adds another layer of value that goes beyond aesthetics and energy savings. Long-term durability and low-maintenance. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, scraping, painting, sealing, or repairing damaged frames. New vinyl or composite windows are designed to resist warping, cracking, and fading, even under the intense Texas sun. Low-maintenance materials are highly attractive to potential buyers. They signal that the home has been thoughtfully upgraded and won't require immediate repairs. That reassurance can translate into stronger offers and smoother negotiations. A smart investment in Richland Hills. Ultimately, new windows offer one of the best returns on investment for homeowners looking to increase property value. They combine visual appeal, energy efficiency, comfort, security, and durability into one impactful upgrade. If you're planning to stay in your home for years, you'll benefit from improved comfort and lower utility bills. If you're considering selling, you'll enjoy stronger buyer interest and a competitive edge in the Richland Hills market. Upgrading your windows isn't just a cosmetic change, it's a strategic investment that enhances your home inside and out, today and well into the future.